we got the new FJ60 motor mounts, and we got everything prepped, and we're gonna slowly load those into place. And they're studded on both ends, unlike the FJ40 ones that have a stud and a bolt you have to shove. Shove? Can I say shove?
Shove, yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah, you have to shove through the top of the motor mount. So these make it a lot easier because you've got 2 studs, and you'll be able to just walk it right down into it.
So for future reference, if anybody's doing the motor mounts, get the FJ60 motor mounts, the best ones from George at Valley Hybrids, because
then you won't have to do it twice.
those ones are super badass.
Exactly.
Okay, so Rob's got them mocked up here. They're partially in place. Get in on that, honey. Your hair smells good.
So let's unbolt this.
Unbolt it. In case you guys are wondering, Rob smells like mahogany. Is this the same thing all the way through?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so there's no...
Yeah. Should be just like this. So this is on the outside.
This goes on the outside?
Yes.
He's dyslexic, so.
Well, try to see what happens when you just lower it. Are you just lowering it?
That's it.
Okay, pick it up again then. Our problem is...
Is the angle wrong on that one?
Yeah, kind of.
Dude?
Should be. Okay, that's how you hurt yourself.
See, when that voice comes on in my head, I just push on.
Keep doing it.
The alarm goes off. That you're about to hurt yourself?
You ignore
Shut
it.
up, brain.
So what are you guys doing right now? You're taking off part of the mount?
No, we're just loosening the motor mounts so that way.
You can get the angle right and then tighten it up again?
Correct. Yes.
Why are you impacting?
Yeah.
Rachel, if you buy an impact wrench, you should use it as often as you can.
Really?
Even if you don't necessarily need to. See, that's at an angle, dude. That's
No, you know what? Start over. Time out then.
Okay. What do you think?
Started.
You want me to do that to this side?
No, we'll just put that one in, and then slide this one.
I've almost got some threads exposed.
Okay.
Can you lower it a bit more?
I don't want to strip the threads on that. You got a hammer?
Yep, soft hammer.
That'll work.
Am I going to get it in the mount?
Yeah, just hit the metal, the top of the metal part. Nice. Okay.
Cool.
Harbor frame.
Do they work? And they were cheap.
People should know that.
Yeah.
Rob Tygart.
Genius.
The second cheapest guy on the planet,
Yeah.
because
Who's the first cheapest?
I haven't met him yet. Are you in over there?
I think so. I mean, it's just snugged up.
You
the
should know
top
if you're
nuts.
in.
Thanks, Emmy. How tight should I make it, Rob?
Pretty tight.
I'm pretty tight. Good.
Like 2 grunts?
You kicked it.
That's one.
There's,
Come on, one
no,
more
that
grunt.
second one, that was 2 in a
Nah,
row.
dude, come on, give me another grunt. Come on. That's it. You know, building a cruiser, you don't need all this fancy stuff. You can just build it by feel.
Yeah, I actually do that a lot, Rob.
I've seen the videos.
I like to go with my instincts, which are non-existent.
So now, pretty much technically, tighten a few more things. This is officially locked in place.
Okay.